Alrighty, we are live. Yes, good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? Gonna let a few people hop on, and then I'm gonna jump right into what I gotta say today. Looks like Facebook is live, yes. So where are you tuning in from? Let me know. If you're catching this now, let me know where you're from. If you're catching it as a replay, hashtag replay. Looks like somebody's viewing. That's awesome. Anyway, what I want to say today is this amazing platform that I'm involved with has just generated $50,000 in payouts in 1 week. And with this platform, it's simply amazing. I don't know why people would be sitting on the fence. Hi Teresa, how are you? Thanks for viewing. Hope you're having an awesome day. I've been to Virginia. That's awesome. I love it down there. Anyway, we're having a live webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd like for you to be my guest. Come see what we're all about. If you're lacking in engagement, looking to help boost your engagement, this platform will help you learn how to get better engagement, how to basically set yourself up for success. And our webinar is going to give you all the details. You don't want to miss out on this. This is simply amazing. And anyway, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight is our webinar. Don't be sitting on the fence about this program. It has really taken off, and people are seeing success that have never made money online before. So, oh, there's Robert. Hi, Robert. How are you? Thanks for hopping on. Good morning. Where are you tuning in from, Robert? There you are. Anyway, hi Chris, how are you? I'm doing great. Just doing my live video, trying to get as many people to this webinar tonight. We want a jam-packed house. So if you got any friends, make sure you bring them along. Get them to this webinar. It's, 50,000 in payouts to our members in 1 week. That is unheard of. So yeah, webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope this video is going to be better than my last week's video. Anyway, that was pretty terrible. So I am just sitting here. Got some errands to run later on today. I wanted to get this live out to people so that they can be aware of what's going on with this amazing platform. Helps you with your engagement, helps you brand yourself, gets you set up for success. People that have never made money online are making money, and it's just a totally awesome program. So if you're interested, bring all your friends, get them to this webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also, Chris, that's awesome. I'm glad to see that you're going to get on board. Yeah, don't be sitting on the fence about this program, because things are really heating up, and it's just, it's amazing. So yeah, I'll be glad to have you on the webinar tonight, and your sponsor is going to be a really good sponsor. I'm glad you're joining. So yeah, bring all your friends, Chris. Make sure you get on the webinar. And 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ruth. Hi, Ruth. How are you? I'm glad to see you hopping on. Good morning, Danielle. Glad you're here. If you're catching this live, let me know where you're tuning in from, or a hashtag replay. Nobody wants to work from home, but they all want to do a spam and scam. Yes, that is true, Chris. Nobody wants to work from home. They just want to make money the easy way, which is spamming their link. And yeah, that's not cool. So you don't do this with this program. People come running to you. It's simply amazing because they see your success and they're going to want to know what you're up to and how you're doing it. So if anybody's interested in working from home, you know, just hop on board, get to the webinar, see what we're all about, and we'll get you started. So 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will see you at the webinar. I will put the link in the description down below, so that way you'll have easy access to it. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day. I just want to do this quick live and say good morning, everybody. I'm so excited for this week. So get to the webinar, see what we're about. Come join us. Don't be a fence sitter and look at this program and wish you'd join a while back when it first came out. So anyway, hop on board, and I will see you tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. Oh, that sun's in my, yeah, there we go. See you at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I'm just outside here in my backyard, and the sun's kind of hit me in the wrong spot. But anyway, glad to have you here. Get up out of the way here a little bit. So glad to have you, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be looking forward to seeing you on the webinar. So everybody have a great day, and stay blessed, and keep yourself inspired and motivated, and you'll be a great success. So 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you there. Bye.